Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to do some 5-cent coin roll hunting. Now, I generally don't like to do 5-cent coin roll hunting because, to be honest, it's actually really difficult to view and see exactly what we're trying to look at. It can be rather boring. There isn't heaps to look for, but I thought we'd try it. My aim is to maybe do a couple of rolls live, and then we'll pause, and then I'll just go through the coins and just get the camera rolling again once I find something that's worthwhile showing. But before I begin, what I thought is a cool sort of thing to try is when you're unwrapping a roll of 5-cent coins, it's pretty easy just to have a look down the rim of each of the coins, and in this case we're looking and we're seeing that we're looking for tilted collars. So if there was a tilted collar error coin in here, we would see it straight away. So it's cool to open up the rolls, have a quick little look at them like this, and at least you've eliminated that there isn't any of that particular error to be found in this roll. So it's one less thing you have to look for. So we'll go through these coins here, and then we'll jump on to pausing, and we'll come back when there's something worthwhile showing. So there is, when I say there's not a lot to look for, there's a few dates obviously, and there's a few standout coins, and one of them you've got to check clearly is this 2015. This is another reason why I don't like to do these coins. They're so shiny and the light really hits them. But the 2015, we've got to look for the missing SD. This one we can see straight away has an SD. I always rotate them upside down so it's easier to see. And also, if you find a missing SD, check the claws, because there's going to be some claw cuds. And that was pointed out to me, which I already knew about, but I actually forgot about it in one of my previous videos. I mentioned that I'd found a missing SD, but I forgot to mention that it also had claw cuds. So yeah, make sure you check each and every 2015 coin thoroughly. They're quite difficult to come by. Alright, let's keep moving, and we'll get through these hopefully fairly quickly. Another date to look out for and to check thoroughly is the 2001. And you're looking for the flamingo error, which is like a beak type cud that comes off the bottom of the 5 and heads north. So when you look at it upside down, it looks more like a flamingo. So that's something else to look out for, and that's something I do check each and every 2001 coin. The funny thing is with the flamingo error coin, whenever I've found a flamingo, it's usually on a 2001 coin that is not very shiny. So I don't know what the deal is with that. They seem to be ones that sort of look like they've been circulated more, or maybe they just weren't produced correctly. Oh, this is interesting. So here we got a 5-cent coin, or whatever their currency is, from Papua New Guinea, so 1979. So let's just compare the two coins here. Same size. Probably minted in Australia as well. From memory, I'm not too sure, but I think it may have been minted in Australia. So yeah, I'll keep it just because. Also, we're checking 2007 for double headers. Make sure we check each side of the coin. It's pretty obvious if you find one. I've never found one, and that's one of the coins I would absolutely love to find. But I'm just happy finding a 1972 5-cent piece for now. We're getting through this roll, and shortly I'll quickly pause and I'll start going through some rolls and come back when I find something interesting. I'll just finish off these few here. Alright, here's a 2001, so we might as well check that. It's one of the shiny ones, so usually not going to find anything, which is the case in this one. So just a regular 2001. There's another 2015, and that's got an SD. Another 2001, and no, there's no additional cuds going off in the spines there. It's really a die crack. Alright guys, we'll pause for now and come back soon. Alright guys, so I've just started going through this roll. This is probably the fourth roll since we paused the camera, and I've come across a 1972 5-cent coin, which is certainly one we're all looking for. So it's quite a nice coin as well. So I'll continue to go through this, and I'll come back when I find something else. Well, in the same roll as I found the 72, we've just come across a changeover. So the lowest minted 5-cent coin. So keep each and every one of these ones, and they certainly can be found in nice grades. So keep that one as well. Alright guys, about 5 or 6 rolls in, come across the first 2018 5-cent coin. So as I've said in previous videos, make sure you keep each and every one of these until we know the mintage, because it could be the lowest minted coin. Who knows? So keep each and every one. It's only 5 cents, and I'm sure we can all afford just to put away 5-cent pieces. So keep them for now. Alright guys, be back soon. Alright guys, extremely lucky today. Just found another 72, which I'm going through $30 worth of $2 coins, and to find a second one is just incredible. That just doesn't happen to me. So I normally find one in every $100. So to find two in, I've got 3 more rolls to go, and what I've got left of this particular roll. So yeah, quite happy with that find. Alright, pause for a moment. Alright guys, I've just finished going through $30 worth of 5-cent pieces, and this is what we found today. So we found 2 of the 2018 5-cent coins, 1 of the 2016s, and very happy to find 2 72s, and we found that international coin there from Papua New Guinea. But for $30 to find 2 of those, that's very good going. Just shows you how well we're doing at pulling these guys out of circulation, because I used to find truckloads of these and now we're not finding them. And make sure you keep each and every one of the 2018s until such a time as we know what the mintage is. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this, and hope you didn't mind the way we've gone about it. Let us know if you're happy to see videos that I sort of pause and do this, or you'd rather just do live coin roll hunts. Let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.